Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by connecting your computer to the TP-Link router via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Open a browser and go to 192.168.0.1, then log in as admin. Change the default password to a strong, unique one of at least 12 characters. Update the router firmware to the latest version and export a settings backup file. Identify the child device and note its MAC address. Assign a static IP like 192.168.0.100 to simplify future. Open the Parental Controls section inside the TP-Link web interface or app. Enable the feature and add the child device using its MAC or static IP address. Choose a control mode, whitelist only, blacklist, or keyword filtering. Configure safe search and block categories like adult, gambling, and streaming as needed. Create a weekly schedule and block internet access from 21:00 to 07:00 each night. Set daily limits, for example 2 hours of daytime use, and apply the rules to the device. After applying rules, test the child device by visiting blocked sites and checking schedule enforcement. Reboot the router to ensure all settings activate cleanly and confirm the device keeps the assigned IP. Review access logs in the router interface to spot bypass attempts or misclassified sites. Export and save a configuration backup after significant changes for quick recovery. Schedule monthly firmware checks and updates to close vulnerabilities. Communicate rules and consequences with your child, and periodically adjust limits as needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.